Welcome back, little farmers! Our fantastic farm friends are multiplying, and there are more adorable farm animals to introduce. Let's continue our farmyard adventure and meet some new furry and feathered friends. Say hello to the goat. With its cute horns and curious eyes, the goat helps keep the grass trimmed on the farm. It's like the natural lawnmower, nibbling away to keep our fields tidy.
The goat.
Waddling in is the duck. This webbed wonder loves splashing in ponds and gives us tasty eggs too. It's like the aquatic artist of the farm, adding a splash of fun.
The duck.
Bouncing into the scene is the rabbit. With its long ears and fluffy tail, the rabbit brings a touch of cuteness to the farm. It's like the garden nibbler, sampling veggies with a hop.
The rabbit.
Strutting proudly is the turkey. With its colorful feathers, the turkey adds a festive touch to the farm. It's like the Thanksgiving ambassador, bringing joy to special occasions.
The turkey.
Trotting in is the donkey. This hardworking friend helps carry loads around the farm. It's like the sturdy sidekick, always ready for a braying hello.
The donkey.
Meet the alpaca.
The alpaca.
With its soft and fluffy fleece, the alpaca provides us with warm and cozy wool. It's like the fashionista of the farm, keeping us stylish and snug. Honking into view is the goose. With its long neck and distinctive call, the goose adds a touch of elegance to the farm. It's like the avian aristocrat overseeing the farm pond.
The goose.
Our fantastic farm friends have become an even bigger family, turning our barnyard into a bustling haven of happiness. Which new farm animal stole your heart? Thanks for continuing this farmyard journey with us. Until next time, keep farming and exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel